Okay guys, so for the next one, example 7, you should be able to try this one on your own. So you can pause the video. And this one, it's important to recognize that the negative y is really a negative 1. So y times y would give you the y squared. You need factors of 56, 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 3 doesn't go in, 4 times, what is that, 14, and 7 times 8. And you're looking for the pair that has a difference of 1. So 7 and 8 have a difference of 1. I put the 7 and the 8. Remember that the sign at the end tells me that the signs are different. And then I go to the middle, the bigger number is negative. So my 8 takes the negative, my 7 takes the positive. So when you multiply y plus 7 times y minus 8, your result will be y squared minus y minus 56. Okay, take a look at example 8. You have b times b gives you the b squared. Factors of 6 are 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. And this one I purposely put on here because you have to be really careful, because when you think about it, 2 plus 3 is 5. Remember, you're trying to get this middle term 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, but 6 minus 1 is also 5. So it looks like there could possibly be 2 answers. But if you think about what it's telling you with the signs, this negative tells you that the signs are different. So if the signs are different, then you need them to subtract to make 5. 2 and 3 do not subtract to make 5. That's only when the signs are the same. So if that had been a positive at the end, we would have used 2 and 3. So instead, it's got to be 1 and 6. And I need the bigger number, because of the middle being negative, to take the negative. So I'm going to have a negative on the 6 and a positive on the 1. So that when I multiply 1 times negative 6, I get negative 6. But when I add them, 1 plus negative 6, I get negative 5. All right, guys, I'm not going to go on to examples 9 and 10 right now. We're going to stop there. And you guys can start your homework, which is just to practice several of these on the posted sheet. All right. Let me know if you guys have questions. Thanks.